Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and I love flip-flops. I literally almost never wear shoes, and if I do wear shoes, I'm wearing flip-flops. Yeah, and luckily here in the South, even though I hate that it's hot all the time, I can wear flip-flops almost year-round. Anyways, today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day. And if you're not new to my channel, you know that on some Wednesdays, I do a series called Wednesday, Wow and Wearable. That is where I take one palette and I do one eye with a more wearable, natural, very easy look. And then the other eye more of a wow look or something that's a little bit more bold, colorful, unique, or a little bit harder to kind of achieve. So this week I'm very excited to do the REBEL ROUGE LABS Losing My Religion palette. I do already have a video of this beauty up, but I wanted to use her to show that even though she's bright and bold, she can also be used for a wearable kind of daytime look or work look. This is a 90s themed palette from the brand REBEL ROUGE LABS. You can use code DRAIN01 for 10% off. I do not make any money or anything like that. For a specific amount of purchases that are made using that code, I get a little bit of free product. So just disclaimer and throwing that out there. She is a cruelty-free brand. The names are impeccable, incredible. These are all hand-pressed pigments, and I'm very excited to be doing this again. And not only that, just wait for it. It's a collaboration with my amazing fellow plus-size beauty, Leah Garrett. I love her whole entire soul. She is also a cruelty-free channel, so if you are a beauty that prefers watching someone that has cruelty-free products, she is your girl to go to, okay? So all of her information will be linked below, and thank you, Melissa. I love you so much, and thank you to Mary Ann, the creator of REBEL ROUGE LABS. I did use this last time, and I did not do many swatches and stuff like that, but since that time, you guys have requested swatches, and I'm here for you. So we are going to go into some swatches. Y'all know I'm not the best. Y'all don't get me in the comments, okay? So first, we're going to go in with Cherub Rock, #1 Crush, Flannel, and Doll Parts, which is absolutely stunning. So there are the first 4 shades. I'm loving. So those are the swatches from the first 4. I am out of wipes, so I'm going to try to do this all at one time on my little arm here. Next up is Catalano, Baby Doll, As If, and Wayland. I'm just saying, these are pretty damn stunning. Even though y'all know I don't really give 2 shits about swatches, because I definitely always say they perform much differently on the lids. So those are those. I kind of fucked up that swatch just a little bit. My apologies, my loves. This is really hard to do, you guys. Kudos to everyone that does like bomb-ass swatches, because I am not that person at all. And then next is Cornflake Girl, Docs, Rex Manning, and Even Flow. Those are those 4. This is so hard to do, you guys. Okay, they're really trashy. I will work on these, I promise. I think I'm going to start filming the swatches separately so that you guys are not looking at me like, bitch, what the hell are you doing, you know? Okay, so there are all of our swatches. And if you're already wondering, yes, I do already have some eye makeup on. I do have some mascara on. I do have my brows done, and I also have a little bit of a liner. That is because I wanted this to be literally the most easy Wednesday Wow and Wearable look. So if you don't want to do your liner at all and it's just a thin line of the Too Faced Better Than Sex liner, if you don't want to do that, don't use it. And I'm literally just going to go in and we're going to shut up and we are going to not speak through this. So yeah, this is going to be super duper easy. Thank you again, Melissa. I love you, and we're going to hop on it.